Hello and welcome to another tech day. A lot of things I have prepared. Actually, I haven't prepared anything. I'm just doing it as I go. So, for those of you who don't know what this is, every day I'm like spending 2-3 hours doing some projects or talking about IT or games or anything that I find interesting. So, if you like this, please subscribe and like these videos. So, what I will start with is I realized every time when I sit to work. Yes, I was saying every time when I sit to work here, I need some time to grease myself, to push the gears from the first to the second to the third. I don't know, six, if your car has 6 gears or something. That was the way, at least, how the cars functioned in the good old days. But yeah, so I need some time. I need some time to warm myself up, basically. And I found an amazing page. It's called Guess the Game. And I did this because here says good job. So I'm just gonna go here. So they add these games every day. Every day there's a new game that they are adding. And I don't know what. 1314. Okay, 1314. So I'm gonna do a couple of these and then I'm gonna start coding. I have played this. Is this a platformer? I have definitely played this. I don't know what this is, but I've definitely... Let me skip. Original release, too old for Metacritic. Oh, that. This looks really familiar to me. But I have no idea what this is. It's not SpongeBob. Like, SpongeBob was my first internal guess that I had, but it's definitely not SpongeBob. It's a platformer, but what kind of a platformer? 3DO. Nintendo 3D? Yeah, it's a platformer. 19, so it's not Nintendo 3D. What is this? Crystal Dynamics? I have no idea. I have no idea. I have seen this definitely, but Gex. Alright, maybe I haven't seen it. Because I would remember the name. I would remember the name, definitely. What is this? This is another game, by the way. The one from December 17th. I have no idea what this is. Let's skip it. Metacritic scored 82. If I didn't saw the Metacritic score, I would definitely guess Skyrim. Because this reminds me of Skyrim, but it's not. It's not. I don't think these kinds of flower models were in Skyrim or roots or whatever these are. PS3 X. Is this Serious Sam? Serious Sam 3. No. Action Adventure RTS. Ah, shit, I know what this is. I know what this is. So, there's a game that came out maybe 10-15 years ago in which Jack Black is playing like a metal player or something. And I'm missing only the name of it. Something Legend. Brutal Legend. I think this is it. Yeah, Brutal Legend. I haven't played it. I heard it's good. I heard like it's a cult classic. What's this? Tuesday, December 16th. All right. So we are guessing another game. I'm gonna spend maybe 10 minutes guessing it. As I said, to warm myself up. No idea what this is. This looks like a penis on top. Metacritic score 73. This the where are the Soul 3D Hulk game. The Incredible Hulk. Ultimate Destruction. Because I see these lights here that are green. I assume these are the borders of the playing area. They are green because, you know, Hulk is green. Wait, submit. No, it's not. So this is then destroy all humans. No, it is destroyed all humans. Destroy all humans. Maybe the original one. No. What the hell? 2002. It should be. Is the second one? Oh, it's oh god. It's a Godzilla game. Okay, let's see if I can guess. I have only one guess left. But let's see if I can guess which one of these Godzilla games is the one that we need to guess. Is it Destroy All Monsters? Yeah, it is. Okay, close enough. Close enough. Let's go another one. This looks like an Egyptian ruin. We have a sarcophag here, I think. Some lights. Again, I have no idea what this could be. The aesthetics reminds me of Prince of Persia. You must be fucking kidding. Wow! Metacritic score 81. 81! I thought this game was more successful. So these are the platform. To be honest, I only guessed correctly because of the first image. It really reminded me, I played Prince of Persia when I was a wee little lad. These other pictures, at least the pictures number 2 and 3, would just throw me off my guess. Oh, this one especially. Maybe, no. Okay, here I would. Ah, shit. I thought this was the old Prince of Persia. So I basically guessed, I guessed the correct, like, series, but I thought about the other game. I thought about the one that was released, I think, in 2002 or something. Oh god. Alright. Let's go one back. Okay, I guess this one. So I'm just gonna do another one. One more. 1287. That's where I stopped. I was going backward. 1287. Alright. So I have a stone. I have a tiny bit. Is this the bottom of the sea or just the surface, like a field? Is this a tiny little fish? I used condom or a cigarette butt. Well, I know, I have no idea. I mean, this might be a role-playing game. That's my first guess. Or a real-time strategy. I have no idea what this is. Let me skip. Metacritic score 86. But these are just screenshots of trees and grass. What the hell is this? 86. PC. Dragon Age? No. Action role playing. Is it Diablo 2? No. 2013. Diablo 3? Shit. Is this Diablo? It's Diablo 4. Path of Exile. Oh god! I haven't played it, to be honest. Ah, shit. This was stupid. I should have guessed this correctly. Okay, let's do So we are running the game for like 12 minutes. After cutting the video, I will have like 8 to 10. It's gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna do another one of these, and then we're gonna start working hard. So this is a bet, and by the amount of pixels and polygons, this is a pretty old game. Is this Resident Evil? Maybe the second one? No, it's not. The Metacritic score of 63 tells me that okay, this game is a stinker, but also it isn't that famous. I don't know. This is an old game. This is definitely an old game. The early 2000s might be the birth time of this one. Let me skip it. PS, PC, Dreamcast. So even the 90s. I think the 90s are more probable. But for 2000. I have no idea what this is. Is this Indiana Jones? Not Indiana Jones, Lara Croft. It's Tomb Raider, but it's not the first one. Because the first one was pretty highly rated. This one has, what, 63? So maybe 2 or 3. Is there a third one? Is there a second one? Tomb Raider Chronicles. Ah! Tomb Raider Chronicles is an action-adventure video game developed by Core Design and published by Eidos Interactive. I hope I said this correctly. 5th installment. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty badly reviewed, but Tomb Raider series. Where is it? Titles. First one came out in 96, then 97, then man, she had some fat. Right, I can't even zoom on it. Fat ankles on her. I don't know why people push a title every year. It's not good for you as a developer, and it's not good for the player as well. You are oversaturating them, and of course you're creating fatigue as well. I know that the first one was a classic. I never played it. I was a little kid when this came out, so yeah, it was a classic. So I assume the second one is good, but yeah, it's not as good as the first one. And then the third one and the fourth one are dropping in the quality. Yeah. And by the time this one came out, no, where is it? This one came out. The series went to shit. I played Legend, and I had fun with it. I'm not gonna lie. All the others, yeah, this is the reboot. The Legacy of Atlantis. This is actually quite good. Is this the remake of the original Tomb Raider game? Yeah, it's a reboot, reimagining. Cool. I'm loving it. Yeah, man. I remember when these women journalists were complaining about her physique. I mean, I see it, like this kind of chest is totally unnatural on this kind of build, but What can you do? Lara Croft manipulating an object. This was actually a fun game. What's the reception of this? 82. Yeah, I had fun with this. I had fun with this game. Alright. Enough of this. Let me just see what the next game is. I won't play it. I won't play it. I promise. No, I won't. So let me open Unity. It's here. Do I have any project 14 days ago? That's my problem. I'm not consistent. If I did this every day, yeah, that would be amazing. But I'm skipping a lot of days because I'm idiot. Why is it still running? Because I have terms and conditions that I need to accept. It's open. It's opening it. Can I move this here as well? Yes, I can. So what I want to do here is I followed the video. I understood a couple of like basic concepts. So I want to create. Right click. Oh, okay. Right click 2D objects. Nice. Right. Square, circle. Let's use square. I have a square here. I'm gonna say this is my dash object. All right. And then I'm gonna here create. Okay, how do I create a script? All right. So this is a dash object. No, this is the name. Okay, this is the name of it, and what it is. It's my sprite, right? So this is, and this will be one of the things in the world. Now, these are the components, which are the abilities this thing has. It's only a box for now. It's not even a box, it's a square. It's a square, and it has, positions, rotations, and scales. So we have the object, we have the descriptors of it, but I also need to create ways to change its behavior. Because this object by itself, it does nothing. It becomes useful when we add components and when we add behavior. Right, so here we are. And here in the project window, I can click right. I can click the right button on the mouse. There must be a create here somewhere. C# script, where are you? There's a lot of things. Scripting. Mono behavior script. Is this it? Yeah. So I will name it dash object controller. All right. And now if I open it, it's here. So what I want to do is open it via how can I open it with Visual Studio Code? Open. It's not Visual Studio Code. Well, one point. I need to see how this is opened in Visual Studio Code. All right, but the file name and the class name must match. They are matching. So model behavior scripts, they don't run randomly. Unity calls specific methods automatically. Here we have start and update. Start is running once when the game starts. update runs every frame. We are using start to do setups. We are using update for behavior, continuous behavior, such as movements, inputs, and animations. So how do I connect a model behavior to a sprite? So I have a sprite right here. So I'm picking it up, and here I can do add component. Dash object controller, and here it is. I connected a model behavior to a sprite. And how to change, for example, the color of a sprite? If I open the dash, I need. Oh, okay. So I can. Is this swim? It is swim. Insert. No, I don't want this. What the hell? Right. Right renderer. I'm gonna. I need to open this with. I need to open this with VS Code. Let me see how I can do it. How to open Unity script with VS Code. It's here, edit, references, external tools. So I'm here. Here somewhere I need to external script editor. I cannot even find it. So browse. So it should be user bin code. Is the code here somewhere? But not here. So there's no code here. Code page, Unicode, VS Code. All right. So I haven't installed Visual Studio Code here. So I need to find where the code is. Which code? Snap bin code. All right. Snap bin code. Open. Visual Studio Code. Do I need to press anything to save you? No. I can close and then CD project, CD Unity, CD my I named it my project code. All right, so I have it here. I have it here, and then where is the script? It's called dash object controller dash what the hell? I want to what? Dash object, it's in assets. Okay, let me install this. Why can't I search for my files? Dash. Oh, there are some extensions that I should remove. Some errors. Hopefully it will work now. What? Get started. The first steps to set up your net environment with power. I don't want to set up anything. Connect account. I don't want to connect. Is Microsoft really require me to require what? No, brother, that's not happening. First of all, I'm gonna remove IntelliCode. I'm gonna I should install because I'm already paying for ChatGPT. I should install one of these extensions that are using ChatGPT. Okay, refresh. They are done. Dash object controller. Let me try to open it again. Control P. Dash object controller. I type in, for example, universal rand. I have a problem with this. It's slow. It's really slow. Okay, let me check something. How can I open this? Open? Will it open it in Visual Studio Code? It does open it. It's on another screen. Okay. Great. I'm able to open. I have no idea what it does, and I don't want to know. Just yet. I think now also my okay, now it's faster because I believe that when I opened the whole project, it opened a lot of files, a lot of bootstrapping files and boilerplate, and it made the project a bit slower. So now it's fine. Now it's fine. So let's see, how can I change the color of a sprite? Will this work? Right, it does. New sprite renderer. No, it's not new. Get component. No. So this needs to be a case. I also need to fix automatic imports as well. I do sprite renderer color red, and if I run it now, we should change this white box, this white rectangle. It should change its color to red. Where is it? It says here that it compiled it, but I don't see it. Porting assets. Where is it? Ah, here it is. So it's red. Okay. Two things. Two things. First thing. And how do I stop it? By pressing on the Ooh, okay. Mhm. Amazing. So the way how this should be opened, I asked ChatGPT from assets. I click open project, opens C# project, which will open the project with the solution file. My project is unable. I'm kidding me, I need to install some things. Um, yeah, it's most probably the issue is most probably that I don't have the SDK. No, where's the here? kitty.net info. Of course, what version do I need? Please ensure that your net SDK version is 9.0200 or higher to support SLNX files. I hate this. I hate this. Okay. I need to get back into the state of mind that allows me to do this. And I know what the best solution for doing it is. I'm gonna guess the game. I'm gonna guess another game. One, 2, 8, 6. Okay. Let's guess the game. What was the number? 1, 2, 8, 6. No, I guess this one. I go one back. Correct. There's some grass. There's some blue flowers. And there's a dirt road in the background. It's colorful. It seems like it's a role-playing game, but one that is more happy, so to say. It's not Skyrim. Let me skip this. 85 Metacritic score. So I should note what this game is. There are some stones. So it has different terrains, different areas. I still don't know what this reminds me of, so I'm gonna skip another one. Original platform PC. So it only came out on PC. Is this Star Wars? Star Wars The Old Republic. I would definitely guess this one. And here we have a lightsaber. I would and also BioWare. If I saw BioWare, I would guess it. Like here, I already got a hunch that this might be Star Wars. The first two, actually, just because the terrain is so different. between number 1 and number 2, an idea popped into my mind saying, oh, this most probably an image or 2 images of 2 different planets. So that's why I guessed it. Let's go back. It's green. Something is green. I know what this is. No, actually, I don't want to be. I don't want to be too confident because over relying on confidence is the liquor of the stupid man. Plants versus zombies. Whoa! You must be kidding me. What? I like how, because Plants vs. Zombies is a pretty simplistic game, how they purposefully cut these sections right here. And here. And here. This one is... Alright. This one would be definitely a big clue for me. I played this, I think, on both my computer and my phone. Back when it was all the rave. Alright, I'm gonna do one more. And then I'm gonna continue with coding this shit. Actually, maybe I can do something else. What if I leave it to run in the background? So Kitty, can I install this? Unable to locate package. So I also need to add a repository. That's probably here. Okay. Okay. Let's just install all of the things that we need to have .NET SDK. So let's start with update. Then let's run this. Then let's run this. We are adding the Microsoft package repo. Then it should be as simple as just running. Kidding me. Wait, do I need to run another update? No, still. Unable to locate package.NET SDK 9.0. All right. Let me add the helper. Let me add the backport PPA. And then let's run update. And then let's install the .NET. And now it works. Amazing. Still learning, still learning. And now run .NET info. We have something. Version 00911. Amazing. So let me just, I need to hit the gem. I'm just gonna save all of these. I'm gonna be as fast as possible. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. So let me just let me open Unity again. And a project that I started. So let's do the most basic thing possible. I want to use my sprite that I created, and I want to move it using my keyboard. Let's see. So now I open it first. Let me move these things around. If I open dash object controller, and for some reason doesn't open it. It doesn't open it in Visual Studio Code. And for some reason my computer is slow. What the hell, man? Backend menu, external tools, open by extension, browse. I must be kidding. So I need to reopen this every time. I need to reset this after. All right, so it's not in. Let's go here. So if I'm not mistaken, user bin is not here. It's slow. Why is it so slow? So if it's not here, then it's in snap. I don't like snap. Snap bin, and inside bin we should have code. It is opening with Visual Studio Code. If I close it and if I reopen it now, it should be open with VS Code, which is good. Okay, just to see if I have any automatic. No, color red. I don't have. I don't want to install the recommended Unity extension. Well, why do I don't, kind sir? If you offered, I'm accepting it. Yeah, this doesn't work. This doesn't work. All right, let me close this. I should go to assets, and here I should see open C# project. This should open the whole project, I assume. No, it doesn't. Please ensure that your .NET SD, but it is. Is that version? .NET info, like this. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this without all of this. But first, let me check. Let's go to the projects. Let's go to Unity, my project, and let me run these commands. If it takes more time than I expect it to take, I will most probably do this in Vim or something, and I'm gonna set up everything off camera next time. So this is the only SDK I have. So let's try to run the newest version. The following packages will be upgraded. Is here somewhere. The .NET SDK. It's not. I don't think there is a need to do this. All right. So it's not here. I don't see it. Most probably because apt can only install versions that exist in our repositories, and our system only knows about this version right here. So if we would try to install 200 specifically, most probably, I don't want to try it, but most probably we would get a response saying, I have no idea what that version is. Not because we typed it wrong, it's because our repos lag behind .NET toolings. So if I do, no, I don't want this, apt policy.net SDK 9.0. This is installed, this is the candidate. I could go with hell. I'm gonna use Snap, I'm gonna install the classic .NET. Oh, it's gonna take some time, was probably. Okay. Which .NET here? Let me list the SD. It's still this one, but if I reopen my Kitty terminal, it's still the same. most probably I need to install the old version. So this is the last mile. This is the last mile, the last 10 meters in the race. So there's nothing broken. I think I just have two versions. I have one that is located snap bin.net. And I have one that is located user bin.net. What's happening here is that right now user bin is searched before snap bin. So this one comes before this one. So let's confirm that we have both of these guys. Yeah. And let's remove the one. Oh, what have I done here? The one that I've installed via apt. And let me uninstall all apt-based .NET packages. List SDKs. You must be kidding me. Why is this happening? Why? Why to me? I'm definitely gonna take some time off. Let's clear the cached paths and let's do this one again. Okay, it's gonna install the 10 version. It's installed. Ah, okay, so there's something else. There is something else. There are multiple packages. I hate Snap. I hate Snap. And now, the great moment. Drum roll, please. Da, 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 da. Okay. And I'm gonna do one last thing. I won't code this. I won't code this. I'm so annoyed by this. And usually this happens all the time when I try to build something. You have Docker. Ah, and it works. Color red. Now. No. Can I click? No, it's unable to open. Let's open the workspace. I'm gonna use assets, open C# project. Let's see if we will get the error again. Yeah, still the same. Same old. Same old. I'm gonna install all of these guys later. I hate this. I hate this. So it's version 10. It's version 10. So let me create a symlink. And then let cancel. I need to put the password. Okay, now I created a symlink. And now let me close both Unity and C#. Unity and VS Code. And then let's reopen Unity. And let's do the same thing again. Oh my god, it's because I closed it. It most probably didn't save my external tools. It didn't save. Yeah, I didn't. This makes me crazy. Like, thank God. Thank God I'm at home. I don't do anything important. After this, I'm gonna sit down with my girlfriend and have some fun. But shit. Okay, let's stop it here. I'm gonna do this next time. Thank you. Bye bye.